Here is an example of ABC Company Limited. We want to find out the salary, the gross salaries of employees. Here, this is the master sheet from where we can find out the exact gross salaries. Now go to the sheet. Click equal, then VLOOKUP, then click the logical value. Here the logical value is employee ID, because using employee ID I want to find out the gross salaries. Now click the employee ID table from the gross salary. Do it for the total table. There we are using 3 rows, so click 3 and press 0 for exact match. Then press hit enter. Now copy the total formula for all the cells. Here you can find all the salaries. I have put all other related formulas for house rent, basic rent, medical allowance and conveyance, food allowance and other portion of the salary. Now if we want to find out the exact bank where we want to disburse the salary, again we can use VLOOKUP to find out their payable banks. Here we are using 5 columns, so here write 5 and the range is again 0 for exact match. See, we find out our bank names. If we will copy and paste the formula for all the cells, we will find all the required bank names. Using this formula you can find out different data